Welcome back to Factful Journey Podcast. Today we are going to practice speaking English in a very simple and natural way. We will talk about a full daily routine using easy words and short sentences. This practice will help your mouth become more comfortable. Speak slowly at first, then repeat again a little faster. Imagine you are talking to a friend. Let us begin. Good morning. Today I want to tell you about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I feel sleepy. Sometimes I press snooze one time. But after a few minutes, I get up from bed. I stretch my arms and legs. I take a deep breath and say to myself, today will be a good day. After getting up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. The cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. I comb my hair slowly and get ready for the day. Next, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. Breakfast is very important for me. I usually eat idli or dosa with chutney. Sometimes I eat bread and butter. I also drink a cup of hot coffee or tea. On some days, I eat fruits like banana or apple. Breakfast gives me energy and helps me start my day in a good mood. After breakfast, I get dressed. I wear simple and comfortable clothes like jeans and a t-shirt. If I go to the office, I dress neatly. If I stay at home, I wear casual clothes. Then I pack my bag. I put my phone, wallet, water bottle, and notebook inside. I check everything twice before leaving. At around 8:30 in the morning, I leave my house. I lock the door and start my journey. Sometimes I take a bus. Sometimes I take an auto. The traffic in Bengaluru is usually busy. There are many cars, bikes, and buses on the road. While traveling, I listen to English music or an English podcast. This helps me practice listening. Even if I do not understand every word, I keep listening. I usually reach the office or college around 9:30. I greet my colleagues or classmates and say good morning. Then I start my work or attend my classes. I try to focus and complete my tasks. Sometimes I speak in English with my friends. I may say simple sentences like, "Can you help me?" or "Let's start the meeting." Speaking small sentences gives me confidence. Around 11 o'clock, I take a short break. I drink some water. I may have tea or coffee. I chat with my friends for a few minutes. We talk about simple things like work, movies, or weekend plans. Short conversations help me feel relaxed. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I have lunch. I usually eat rice, dal, vegetables, and curd. Sometimes I eat roti or biryani. Lunch makes me feel full and happy. After lunch, I sit quietly for a few minutes. Then I go back to work or class. In the afternoon, I continue my tasks. Sometimes I feel tired, but I try to stay focused. I remind myself to stay positive. I complete my work step by step. Around 6 o'clock in the evening, I finish my work and prepare to go home. I travel back home by bus or auto. The evening traffic is heavy, but I stay calm. I may listen to music again or just look outside the window. I see people walking, shops opening, and children playing. The city feels alive. When I reach home, I relax for 10 minutes. I sit on the sofa and take a deep breath. Then I change my clothes. After that, I do some light exercise. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Sometimes I do yoga or stretching for 20 minutes. Exercise helps my body stay healthy. At around 7:30, I help in the kitchen or prepare dinner. I may cook chapati and sabzi. Sometimes I make eggs or simple rice. I enjoy cooking simple food. Then I sit with my family and eat dinner together. We talk about our day. I tell them what I did. They share their stories too. After dinner, around 8:30, I relax. I may watch a YouTube video in English. I may read a book. Sometimes I practice speaking English in front of the mirror. I also scroll on my phone or chat with my friends. On some days, I call a friend and talk for a few minutes. At 10 o'clock at night, I brush my teeth again. If I feel tired, I take a quick shower. Then I change into comfortable clothes and get ready for bed. I set my alarm for the next morning. I check everything once more and say goodnight to my family. Finally, I lie down in bed around 11 o'clock. I close my eyes and think about my day. I feel happy because I completed my tasks. I feel proud because I practiced English. Then I slowly fall asleep. This is my daily routine. Every day may be slightly different, but the basic structure is the same. Talking about your daily routine is one of the easiest ways to practice English. You can change the times, the food, or the activities. Make it personal. Make it real. Now it is your turn. Try saying your daily routine out loud. Speak slowly. Smile while speaking. If you forget a word, do not stop. Use simple words. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. If you practice this daily for 1 week, you will notice improvement. After 1 week, try speaking without reading. After 2 weeks, add more details. Slowly, your confidence will grow. Keep practicing every day. One full read aloud is a big win today. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more simple English speaking practice. Thank you for listening to Factful Journey Podcast. See you in the next episode.